A Moscow farm has recently equipped its cows with VR glasses to help them relax and feel happier. The perfect summer fields being shown led to a drastic increase in milk yield. A black Nigerian couple gave birth to a miracle blonde white baby. After analyzing the health records of more than 30,000 fathers, researchers determined that men who had their first child before age 22 were 26% more likely to die between the ages of 45 and 54 than men who waited until they were at least 25. Humans can regenerate some of their organs through a process called compensatory hypertrophy. When part of the liver is removed or destroyed, the remaining portion grows to the original size and allows the liver to function as it did before. Kidneys and lungs can also similarly compensate. In 2007, a local Japanese railway station hired a cat named Tama as an official, helping the local economy bring in over 1 billion yen during her service. When she died 8 years later, thousands of people came to her funeral. The footwear that helped moonshiners evade police. It is illegal in many countries to perform surgical procedures on an octopus without anesthesia due to their intelligence. If you lived in complete darkness, your body would eventually adjust to a 48-hour day where you stay awake for 36 hours and then sleep for 12. You can buy enchanted roses just like the one in Beauty and the Beast. According to the UK company Forever Rose, their roses can live up to 3 years without sunlight or water, but if you keep them sealed in their glass domes, they reportedly stay alive and beautiful forever. A.K. 20 plus years. Would you take a ride in this? Lego built a drivable Bugatti Chiron. The bright blue car was built with more than 1 million Lego bricks, including the motor, which can generate 5.3 horsepower. During test drives, the car hit speeds of about 12 miles per hour, but theoretically can reach about 18 miles per hour. During the Great Depression in the 1930s, desperate families would use leftover flour sacks to make clothing. When flour manufacturers got wind of this, they redesigned their flour sacks with a number of beautiful patterns so their customers could be well dressed. Highlight opals glow under UV light. Often compared to real life kryptonite, highlight glows bright green in UV light because it contains natural traces of uranium and it changes shades of green in natural light. Did you know human alarm clocks existed? During the Industrial Revolution, up to as late as the 1950s, people would pay knocker-ups to use a long stick to knock on their windows to wake them up, or use a pea shooter. Did you know? Famous painter Pablo Picasso's name is actually much longer than people realize. His full name is Pablo Diego Jose Francisco de Paula Juan Nepomuceno Maria de los Remedios Cipriano de la Santísima Trinidad Mater Patricio Cleto Ruiz y Picasso. Talk about a painting that survived the ages. Rembrandt's painting The Night Watch has been vandalized 3 times throughout its life. It was first vandalized in 1911 with a knife, a second time in 1975 also with a knife, and then in 1990 with acid. It's been fully restored each time. The eye sockets of the Moai statues in Easter Island used to have eyes made of coral. There is a company that will fly you in a helicopter and allow you to use machine guns to kill hogs from the air while they run. In the 1960s, a dolphin named Peter fell in love with a human. He died of a broken heart a few weeks later when the relationship didn't work. In 1995, a Russian dog's owners were killed in a car accident. Despite attempts to rehome him, the dog refused to leave the site of the accident. The dog stayed waiting 7 years for his owners until he died. A statue now stands in honor of the dog known as Loyalty by the locals. JFK's brain has been missing for 55 years. It was sent to be transferred to the National Archives building and hasn't been seen since. The nurse who took the picture said, "It's been 3 days since this patient arrived in hospital for treatment, and during these 3 days, nobody in his family came to ask about his well being. Maybe he lives alone. But a pigeon comes every 2 days and sits in his bed for a while and goes away." Later, it was discovered that he sat on the park bench daily and feeds the pigeons. In 1992, scientists discovered the loneliest creature on Earth. It's a whale that has been calling for a mate for 2 decades. He communicates at a frequency not used by any other whales and hasn't received a response. This soldier carried his service dog down a mountain because it was 117 degrees Fahrenheit, 47 degrees Celsius, rocks were burning his paws. A Japanese zoo unsuccessfully tried to mate a pair of hyenas for 4 years before realizing both were males. Jaywalking was invented by car companies in the early 1900s to shift blame for accidents from motorists to pedestrians. A pig named Lulu saved her owner's life while the woman was having a heart attack. The pig heard the cries of pain, forced her way out of the yard, ran into the road, and played dead to stop the traffic. A driver stopped. The pig led him to the trailer. He heard the woman and called 911. An unborn baby can taste what its mother is eating and develop a preference for the foods that she eats. According to psychologists, exposure to nature allows us to remember and value important things like relationships, sharing, and community. A rat can squeeze through holes or gaps the size of a quarter because its skull is not plated together, so it can change the shape of its head and squeeze through a very small opening. They are able to leap 4 feet laterally, can fall 5 floors without any injuries, and tread water for 3 days. Singer James Blunt auctioned his sister off on eBay as a damsel in distress after she was unable to get to a funeral. The winning bidder picked her up in a helicopter, then dated her for 3 years. Now they are married.